Hey, listen, do you want to find a career with more income and impact? If so, you need to develop a results-driven mindset. That means you need to focus on the results. And that means you need to focus on delivering value to the people you serve, whether it's your client, customer, or employer and manager. Okay? And the reason I'm telling you this is because that is something that I did that actually grew my business exponentially. Okay? I started focusing more and asking myself, how can I add more value? And when I focus on the result, not just my time, I was able to go from $20 per month when I was just starting out to $1,000 per hour. But I say per hour, but the majority of what I do is based on the results. So there's guarantee for everything I do. Okay, now if you don't get this, okay, you will lose a unique opportunity for you to really grow your business or skyrocket your career in terms of impact and income. So stay tuned. This is Jim Panos, transformational career coach. I have inspired professionals across the globe to discover their passion and turn it into a career with more impact and fulfillment. I'm the author of the upcoming book, Find Your Passion, How to Create a Career with More Success and Fulfillment. I'm the creator of the Find Your Passion method, a unique career clarity method that has helped professionals across the globe to discover their passion and turn it into a career with more impact and fulfillment. And I'm also accredited by the world's largest personal coaching organization in the world, ICF, International Coaching Federation. And thank you for staying tuned because I really appreciate your time. So here is how you can start really building a result-driven mindset so you can right now deliver more value and hence get paid more and maximize your impact, your career and life in general. Number one, have a guarantee. Okay, so I know that right now you might say, okay, but I might deliver personal services. Doesn't matter. Examine all the possibilities for you to really have some sort of guarantee. Doesn't matter. Okay, 30 days, 60 days, 1 year, doesn't matter. You've got to have your guarantee and mean it. Okay, that means that it's all about you delivering to your client, not about your time. Listen to me. No one cares about your time. No one cares about your time except yourself. Okay? You get paid to deliver results. You get paid to solve a problem through your skills, through your product, through your services, or to help other people to save more time, money, or energy, or fulfill a desire and need they have. It's not about you, it's about them. Okay? Otherwise, you could just make a living by welfare. Okay? So, again, focus on the other people and have a guarantee. That's number one. Number two, always ask for feedback. Okay? Always. People won't give you feedback like this because they just want to be kind and polite. So, go and ask them. Okay? Go and ask for feedback, not just what you did well, especially what you didn't do. Okay, this is where you need to focus on. Okay, whether it's the 5% of what you do, the 10% doesn't matter. Focus on this, on what other people think that you could do more for them. Okay, and improve on that as well. Okay, so number two, ask for feedback. Number three, implement feedback. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have the data, you need to implement that. When? Immediately. Okay, immediately. Okay, otherwise it really doesn't matter. Okay. It really doesn't matter. Okay, you need to walk your talk. And then number four, you need to measure your progress. Okay, you need to see, okay, what did I do better and how did that work? Okay, how the implementation of the feedback worked. Okay, in various cases. That is very important. You can't improve what you don't measure. So set a specific time, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, okay, for you to measure your progress. Okay, and last but not least, number five, get a commission-based only role. Okay, work exclusively on commission. Okay, why? Because that will teach you that it's not you, your time. It's about the results you bring to others, to your employer, to your customers, to clients. It's about the value you bring in. Okay, so that will break your, if you wish, hard employee mindset, which is, okay, I'm just here from my 9 to 5 and I just get paid for my time. No, you get paid for your skills, and you get paid for your skills because you deliver value. Okay, so to wrap it up, number 1, have a guarantee. Number 2, ask for feedback. Number 3, implement your feedback. Number 4, measure your progress. Okay, and number 5, work on commission only, exclusively on results for a while, for you to build the right results-driven mindset. And that's how you're gonna deliver incomparable value. Hence, you will be able to maximize your impact and get paid accordingly. And if you want to learn more strategies about how you can actually maximize your impact and really create the income you deserve, then check out my upcoming book, Find Your Passion. It's coming this Friday. I'm so excited, finally, after 2 years. There you're gonna get all the tools and strategies you need for you to discover what's your very best career path right now for this period of your life, and then how you can actually make a successful career transition, maximize your financial potential, and most importantly, work with your mindset, including overcoming your biggest inner challenges. Yes, I talk about fear. A big book, it's definitely worth it. And guess what? I have a guarantee. Yes, because I don't care about, again, the price, the $20, the 19.8. No, it's about your results. So if you don't find it valuable, just let me know. No questions asked. You could see also all the details for the guarantee by clicking on the link below. Check it out, pre-order it. Right now it's 15% off, and it's coming up this Friday. So get ready. I'm so excited for you. Okay, click on that, have a look on that, pre-order it, or get ready for Friday to buy it full price. And until next time, have an incredible week ahead. Take care.